Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to share with you one Bitcoin Faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you 1 to 5 Satoshi every 3 minutes, and this website pay you instantly and very quickly to your Bitcoin wallet address. First, go to your deposit, copy your Bitcoin wallet address from here and just come back in here, and you can put your Bitcoin wallet address in here and just click start claiming. Okay, you're logging and right now in the website. This website pay you this much. Okay, just click start claiming. The first rule, choose randomly or manually. Okay, manually pay you 1 Satoshi instantly, randomly pay you 1 to 5 Satoshi. Okay, I choose randomly, and you can see I earned 1 Satoshi. Right now this one tell me select the car. Which one is the car? The verification. This is the car. Just click it and just click here to continue. This is a very easy way. You can see and this website pay me my 1 Satoshi to my wallet address. Just click get Satoshi. Okay, you can see with sent and go to overview, and you can see this website pay me my 1 Satoshi instantly in my Faucet Pay. If the Bitcoin price come down, this website pay you this much, more than this much Satoshi every 3 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is the free way earning websites, and you can claim every 3 minutes from this website. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.